مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما. طويل الشوق يبقى في اغترابي فقير في الحياة من الصحاب ومن يأمنك يا دنيا الدواهي تدوسين مصاحب بالتراب وأعجب من مريدك وهو يدري بأنك في الوراء أم العجاب ولولا أن لي معنى جميلا لبعت المكتفيها بالذهاب.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new, my name is Hamidah and I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and stick around on the channel. We love having you here. Can you tell me a good mood? This is the Hamidah that is not stressed out, doesn't have a deadline, is finished with school, and all I have to worry about is, do I want to journal or do I want to color? Do I want to sleep or do I want to watch a movie? And I love that for me. School is finally done and we are back to our slow living diaries. Although I'm thinking of rebranding it to like a Muslimah diaries because it fits my lifestyle right now. And it's still going to be slow living, but it's going to be more like slow living as a Muslimah. So I'm still thinking of a name. I'm sure by the time you see the title, we would have figured out a name, or I would have figured out a name. Anyways, today is Tuesday. I love that I don't even know what day it is. It is actually Tuesday, but I love how I have to think about if it's Tuesday or not. It's been a really productive day for me. I woke up bright and early. I did my laundry. If you've watched the last vlog, then you'll know that I got a new plant. I actually got this plant as more or less like a defense gift or end of an era gift. I got the plant and the first pot they gave me for the plant is actually, it had a few scratches, it was bent and I didn't really like it. So they sent over a second one. So I want to repot the plant into the new pots. We'll probably do that after I pick up my brother. And then I also published a vlog. I've actually really been consistent with the vlogs. Love that as well. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're taking good care of yourselves. And I hope you're as excited as I am about this new vlog. I'll catch up with you guys as the vlog goes on. If not because I have clothes drying outside. I would have wished for rain right now because the sun is so hot outside. Anyways, I'm out to pick up my brother and then I don't have any other errands today, so when I pick him up we'll just head back home. and chill for the rest of the evening before it's time to make dinner. One thing I would say I am so proud of myself for is structuring my day around my prayers and not structuring my prayers around my day. I have 5 prayers, right? What can I get done between 7 a.m. to 12:30? Because prayer is around like 12:40 something. After 12:40 something, I have till 3:59. What can I get done between 3:59? You get the gist. But yeah, alhamdulillah. And I love how the sun is just hitting my face right now. But I just got done with Asr prayer and we're about to get started on dinner. But before that, I want to iron the clothes I washed this morning because a lot of them are dry already. Good morning. I want to go make myself a hot cup of lemon water because I can feel the sore throat coming very fast and I don't have the energy to be sick. I don't have the energy to be sick. It rained so much yesterday. I was mostly in bed reading a book. Even this morning, waking up, the rain just stopped and it's currently like almost 10. Love that for me, but this sore throat I'm feeling, it's not cute. This is the book I'm currently reading, and to be honest, it feels like a lemon balm to my soul because anytime I just get a little bit anxious, or I get a little bit sad, or I start overthinking and I'm just all over my head, this book just brings me back. It allows me to remember the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in my life and just it reminds me to be grateful. If you get your hands on this book, read it, grab it and read it fast because it is that good. I also did my henna by myself last night. I always do it by myself and I noticed the more I do it myself, like the better I'm getting at it. I mean, this isn't the neatest set I've done, but I like it. I like it. For my breakfast slash lunch, I'm going to be having sweet potato porridge with lots it's a lot of spinach and then boiled egg and a cup of tea. My brother and I were watching a show on YouTube and they were talking about Japanese sandwiches. So let's make that because I can't get it out of my head.
سوف نبقى هنا كي يزول الألم سوف نحيا هنا سوف يحلو النغم موطني 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 ذا الإبا موطني يا أنا روم كيد العدا روم كل النقم سوف نسعى إلى أن تعم النعم سوف نرنو إلى رفع كل